The missile explodes near the wires and his tail, cutting part of his vertical stabilizer. But he's still flying. He reports the situation, but finds his radio completely dead. Alone and vulnerable, Cernalic looks over his shoulder, expecting a second impact at any moment. But instead, he sees the F-16 turning away. Back with Mikerevic, he and his wingman push their aircraft to their limits, racing through the valleys. But the F-16 relentlessly closes the distance.
Fox 3.
He releases another AMRAAM missile, which rockets towards its target. Mikerevic